Scope, what's up? Welcome to the AMA on Twitch this time.
Welcome, everyone that just joined. Welcome to our AMA and our big reveal, because today starts the brilliant new chapter in our saga, and we're glad to have you on board.
We first want to explain the reasons for the rebrand, why we are rebranding social finance, SoFi, to Frictionless, and yeah, Milan has the head start on that.
All right, cool. So overall uniqueness and the uniqueness of our project, the inherently uniqueness of our project and what we try to do with our platform should be accompanied by a unique identity. And SoFi, although a very nice designed concept, wasn't as unique as there are other SoFis already. There's an old crypto project that has been dead for years, and then there is this real life SoFi social finance that dabbled in crypto as well. So there was that issue always there, but this wasn't the main reason for doing it. The absolute main reason is that we found a solution, a great solution to a scenario that we were working on for a long time that might be a problem to our platform. So, and for that we have to adapt the contract, and to that, what we changed in the contract and what we're changing code-wise will be explained way down on today's AMA. No, not way down, soon in this AMA, when we tackle the new tokenomics.
Exactly, and overall this gives us much better control over the corporate design, because we can put the name Frictionless in front of everything we plan. It always sounds good, it always looks good. We do have the Frictionless-Network, the Frictionless exchange, so overall it's just a way better name design for our future plans.